I was born for EGM.
Buenos días, el director Díaz con los anuncios diarios aquí de mi sala. Estamos en el día 14 de mayo, hoy es un día B y vamos a... Let me let me switch it back up. I'm messing with you guys here. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Principal Diaz here in my living room. Today's a B-Day, May 14th. And we are going to uh, focus on the academic rigor and the learning that is taking place with your B-Day classes and your B-Day teachers. Tomorrow's a really, really important day for my seniors because it's the day that I need them to catch up and get all the assignments turned in. Now, I know some of you guys are going to need a little bit more time, and that's okay. We're here to help. We're here to support. We're here to do whatever we need to do to make sure that you complete all your classes and that you are graduation eligible. So don't forget, Saturday school will be available for you to get tutoring, remediation, and one-on-one help. That offer is extended to every student on the entire campus. Please make sure that you are focused on your tutoring, your ESS time, any assignments that you may be struggling with. I got an email from a student the other day, Mr. Diaz, NTI work is hard. And I thought to myself, yeah, yeah. It's not supposed to be easy. It's supposed to be hard. So guys, follow this logic for me. Hear me out. Your brain is like a muscle in your body. If you're a runner and you run every day, the muscles in your legs get strong. If you're a thinker, a reader, and you think and read every day, your brain, just like a muscle, gets strong. So think of this. Math is a mental push-up. When you were in third grade, you did not have the ability to do some of the algebra that you can do now, but you built up that core strength in your brain, just like if you're doing push-ups at the house. You do 10 push-ups every day, you're not going to get stronger. You're going to get good at doing 10 push-ups. You got to go from 10 to 15 to 20, 100, 150 sets of 100. Math is a mental push-up. NTI work is supposed to be hard. I personally feel that if you experience failure or that cognitive struggle now, it's a lot better for you than if you experience it when you get to college or when you are in a high stakes, high risk environment that, you don't want to feel that way for the first time when all the marbles are, it's that important. So it's okay for it to be hard. It's okay for you to struggle. It's okay for you to have to get help from the tutors on Saturday school or in ESS. Please keep working. Please keep grinding. We built in catch-up days into the schedule here at the end of the year to make sure that we can get everybody caught up. So work on that. Yesterday, I called Mr. Harmon on the phone. We had some school-related business we needed to discuss, and I thought to myself, what a nice thing to do. Just call somebody on the phone because I am zoomed out. A phone call is so 2019 and Zoom is straight 2020. Google Meets and all these video conferencing. The world has evolved and changed. We are in the future right now. We are historically making history. We are living in history. Guys, there's a Chinese video that we posted that will be posted today, and you might have seen already in the morning news, or is coming up here after the morning news. Fantastic work. Great, great, great work. Please, please use hashtag FDHS Bronco Strong and share some of the things that you have going on. Today, the weather is going to be outstanding. It'll start off a little chilly, but man, when that sun comes out, go outside. Don't do your Chromebook NTI work on the couch. Go outside. Take your laptop, take your Chromebook outside and do the Chromebook, do the NTI work. Get some fresh air. Look at the birds, feel the warmth of the sun, get some vitamin D. Really, really um, stop looking at the same four walls and practice a healthy lifestyle. I'm Lester Diaz, your principal, y es un honor y un privilegio servirlos en esta capacidad.